Let us see in this video how to prepare chart of accounts. A chart of accounts is a structured and standardized list of all accounts used in an organization's accounting system to record financial transactions. It serves as the foundation of the company's financial records, organizing transactions into clear categories, such as asset liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. A well-designed chart of accounts helps streamline the accounting process, simplifies financial reporting, supports accurate budgeting, and enables effective performance tracking across the organization. Let us take one example. GL Group Main Group as other expenses, GL Group Subgroup as power and fuel, type as expenses, GL account as solar electricity charges. Chart of account workflow process, which consists of two-level reviewing and approving. First and foremost, after entries given by the creator, the document will get forwarded to the supervisor. In order to review the document, once supervisor reviewed, the document will be forwarded to the manager, who has action to approve. So, manager will review and approve the document. This is how the workflow would be. Let us log in with username password of creator's login to prepare chart of accounts. Click on Login button. Click on Financials. Click on Setup. Navigating to the GL Group and GL Account screen. GL Group. The GL Group is used to classify each ledger account under the appropriate general ledger grouping. This group helps organize financial accounts into structured categories, such as asset liability, equity, revenue, and expenses. Selecting the GL Group ensures proper reporting, accurate financial statements, and consistent mapping across the accounting system. It also helps the ERP system determine how each ledger behaves in transactions and where it appears in the balance sheet, R, profit, and loss report. Enter the GL Group ID manually. Enter the GL Group name manually. Choose the GL Group type. The GL Group type field selects the appropriate type, either main, R, sub. For the subgroup type, choose the appropriate parent group. The parent group links in the subgroup to its corresponding main group, ensures proper hierarchy and alignment within the chart of accounts. This structure helps the system organize financial accounts accurately for reporting and classification. Choose the account type to specify the nature of behavior of the ledger account in the financial system. The account type determines how the account is classified in reporting and how it is treated during transactions. Asset accounts that represent resources owned by the company. Liability. Liability obligations are amounts payable by the company. Equity, owner's capital and retained earnings. Revenue, revenue earned from business operations. Expenses, costs incurred in the course of running the business. Account subgroup type field. The account subgroup type is used to further categorize ledger accounts within a main group account. It provides a more detailed level of classification, helping organize similar types of financial accounting under a specific subgroup. Choose the correct subgroup type ensures accurate reporting, streamlined account mapping, and better clarity in the chart of account structure. It also helps the system determine how the ledger behaves in the financial statement, such as the balance sheet and profit and loss account. Manually enter the print sequence number for the trial balance, profit and loss statement, and balance sheet. The sequence number defines the order in which each ledger, R, account group, will appear in the financial report. Setting the correct sequence ensures a clear, organized, and consistent presentation of accounts across all major financial statements. Budget required field. If the budget is required for the group, enable the budget required flag. Selecting this option allows the system to track and monitor budget allocation and actual spending for the selected account group. This ensures better financial control, planning, and variance analysis during budget management. For revised Schedule 6, Schedule 6, and Schedule 3, the corresponding heads must be configured in the system. These scheduled heads define how each ledger, R, accounting group, will appear in the statutory financial statement, ensuring compliance with the required reporting format. Configuring the heads correctly helps the system map accounts to appropriate sections of the balance sheet and profit and loss statement. Enter the subgroup name manually. Choose the group type as subgroup. Enter the parent group. Based on parent group, account type, and account subgroup will get updated automatically. Click on Save button. GL Account. The GL Account tab is used to define and manage individual ledger accounts under the selected group. In this section, users enter key ledger details such as the account code, account name, account type, opening balance, and reporting attributes. The GL Account tab ensures that each ledger is correctly configured for the financial posting, reporting, and compliance. Proper setup in this tab helps the system classify transactions accurately across the trial balance, profit and loss statement, and balance sheet. Click on Add button to enter the GL account number. Enter the GL account description manually. The GL account number represents the unique ledger code, while the description provides a clear explanation of the purpose of the account. This ensures proper identification, accurate posting, and clear reporting in the accounting system. Choose the appropriate GL group. GL account type and subgroup type will get updated automatically based on the GL group mapping. This ensures that the ledger is correctly classified within the chart of account and mapped to the right reporting structure in the financial statement. Choose the GS/TTDS field. Select the ESI/PF and budget checkboxes if they are applicable for the ledgers. Enabling this option ensures that the system applies the relevant statutory deductions, such as employee state insurance and provident fund, and activities budget control for the selected account. This helps maintain compliance, accurate payroll-related posting, and proper budget monitoring. Enter the TCS section code field helps the system identify the correct tax collected at source category. Ally's name field provides an alternate reference name. The applicable HSN/RSAC code for the ledger maps the item or service for the appropriate tax classification. Choose the relevant sub-element, which further defines the nature of the transaction for accurate tax calculation and reporting. In TDS field, we have options available: applicable, not applicable, and undefended. Applicable TDS is applicable for this ledger and will be calculated by the system. Not applicable TDS does not apply to this ledger. Undefended TDS, applicable, has not been defined yet, allowing the user to update if later it required. The account class and provident loss, R, balance sheet heads, are updated automatically based on the selected GL group. This ensures the ledger is correctly classified and reporting and appears in the appropriate section of financial statement. Click on Activate button. Choose the approver. Click OK. Document has been forwarded to the approver, navigating to the approver's login. Click on Login button. Navigating to the approval screen. To review the document, click on Detail button. Once document has been reviewed, select the document, click on Process, click on Approve, click on Process. GL account has been approved. Navigating to the creator's login. Click on Login button. Click on Financials. Click on Setup, navigating to the GL group, R GL account. GL account. Hierarchy represents the structured arrangement of general ledger accounts within the chart of accounts. It organizes accounts in a parent-child format, where the main group appears at the top level, the subgroup provides further classification beneath it, and individual ledger accounts resides at the lowest level. Maintaining a proper GL account hierarchy ensures accurate financial reporting, smooth account management, and clear mapping of accounts to the balance sheet and profit and loss statement. This hierarchical structure also helps the system apply automated calculations, consolidations, and reporting across all levels of the hierarchy. To manage this structure effectively, when you drill down into a main group, several options are available to manage the account. These options include Edit, Add Peer Group, Add Subgroup, and Mass Move. Edit allows you to modify the details of the selected main group. The Add Peer Group option allows you to create a new group at the same hierarchical level as the selected main group, R, subgroup. Add Subgroup allows you to create a new subgroup within the main group for better classification. Mass Move allows you to move multiple ledgers, R, subgroups from one main group to another efficiently. These options help maintain a well-structured chart of accounts and simplify account management within the ERP system. When you drill down into a subgroup, the following options are available. Edit, Add Account, Add Peer Group, and Mass Move. Edit allows you to modify the details of the selected subgroup. Add Account allows you to create a new general ledger account under this subgroup. Add Peer Group allows you to add a new subgroup at the same hierarchical level for better account classification. Mass Move allows you to move multiple ledgers, R, subgroups from one subgroup to another efficiently. These options help maintain a well-structured chart of accounts, making account management and financial reporting more streamlined and accurate. When you drill down into a GL account, the following options are available. Edit, Add Account, and Mass Move. Edit allows you to modify the details of the selected GL account, such as the account name, description, R, classification. Add Account allows you to create a new general ledger account under the same group. Mass Move allows you to move multiple GL accounts from one subgroup to another efficiently. These options help maintain an organized chart of accounts and ensure accurate account mapping for financial reporting and transaction processing. Thank you for watching this video.